Alright guys, well again this video. I'm gonna shop now, buy chicken for dinner tomorrow. Cause I want to do baked chicken and jerk chicken. So for support the shop here now, cause are the cheapest and best chicken in here right now. Yeah man. The fat sticky chicken, cheap. If we ever spoon in the 300, that's what they are, bro. 250 and give me some nice chicken. Yeah man. So don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, see me? Share it out. Sir? Share the video man. Yeah, don't know, see I put in work, you know. We have to put video back to back. As you don't see, every day I put the job from last from a day. Every day I put the job. Because I show you say you want this. And so the aggression, you see me? Put in the work. That means every couple of things and just subscribe and share the thing. So let me grow. I'm 91 sub now, so let me grow, you see me? Follow the IG, JP76 and hairstyle at Cooking and Adventure. Leave the page them down below in the description. I do want 2 chicken or 2 brine.
Oh, no. Good afternoon. And the one day, you go to my toy.
You just said this?
You can't see him. Can't see him. They get big man and I don't see him. He's almost tall on him, brother.
In almost in tall on me? Yeah, cool. Alright. Yeah man guys, so my leg turn back one time. I'm ready to down and prepare it. Come and show how prepare for me chicken to jerk and all that. You see how man just get chicken, season it up and throw it up and grill at the same time? No. That's not the proper procedure of to do it. I show now way chicken juicy, moist and all that, you know, dry out and all that. But they can season it up, throw it on the grill and it, you know, suck out, you know, but I show you the best way to do it. So it's a moist chicken, juicy and all that, so I'm sure now I'm going to soon come back. Oh, share the video to everybody who want to video chicken too. I'm not pro on this thing, you know, but I can help myself. That's the best thing. I'm going to have to drive to learn, so I'm soon come back. Alright. See, nice chicken them. Yeah man, chicken well nice. Tomorrow I'm going to do it them, man. How much beer? Alright, give me one too.
Yeah, you the beer for me?
Now I want beer. I know people know. Yeah man, give me that one. No matter. Nice chicken.
Yeah man.
Alright guys, so chicken then tough, as you see earlier. So I put the water now, then thaw out, and then we deal with them, you see me? Yeah. So I want to deal with them for now, because today is Christmas day, right? Yeah, so but I deal with them, put in the brine for now. I'm going to soak overnight, and then now tomorrow now, I season it up for the morning. You see me? So the season can marinate and soak in half the day, you see me? Yeah. So I bring you through the end. Hey man guys, so I want to subscribe to the channel, help me grow, support the movements, man. Let's be one big happy family, you see me? Yeah. I don't want to say fans, I want to say family. I want to be a family so we can share things with each other, you see me? Yeah, we can come in, we can link up, we can cook together and really put up, you see me? Yeah man, let's be a family. Yeah. So imagine me and your little brother or your cousin well want to break, you see me? We are help and push a road and send a road, you see me? Yeah man. So see, water full up on now, so now this is an hour or so, then my link gonna back. You see me? Yeah man. So what I want to do, I want to try to vlog as much as possible. You see me? Yeah man, because I don't know Christmas and spend with family and cook and eat and all that, so I want to vlog as much as the process as possible. You see me? Yeah, you see me go. any Christmas dinner or whatever, no vlog. No, man, if me go. When I go, no vlog. You see me? Yeah. I not promise you that though because I don't know if anybody want to come from camera. People can afraid of camera and that. But my soul can go on and so you see me. But my thing, I'm my yard, I can vlog. But my family you know. Somebody can afraid of camera, you see me. But I can't do this and I'm afraid of camera. Everybody can willing to come from camera. They come look man on a Christmas but sure, I not really play Christmas vibes and all that. You see me? One thing I know say, I have food, I have life, I am alive and well, you see me? Next year I can celebrate Christmas. Yeah. So I'm soon come back. Alright guys, so this is the brine and I soak the chicken, you know. Chicken clean it, I clean it now. You see me? That's salt, now the water here, salt, pepper, I was gonna say garlic and sugar, you see me? I put it inside on the stove and make it boil up. Just for the salt and sugar dissolve out. You see me? So by the time that happen, I done clean the chicken. You see me? And then I put it cool and then put in chicken in it. And like I said, I'm marinating. Alright guys, so it's the fat right here, so it may cut off. I don't so we don't want the fat here. And this, what you can call chicken bottom, yes, we don't want this neither. You see me? The fat pan chicken also, that will stay. This I'll cut off, you see me? Don't know, I'll remove the skin. Let's dry the skin a bit and scrape out the slime, yeah. Most people don't eat chicken and don't eat meat because they're not clean the meat good, you see me? Or them buy some place and the person who look after it don't do really good, you see me? Yeah. Some people even cut off all the little fat here, they even cut them off. Some people don't jar away it. Or no, jar away, see it? The slime it. Then jar away it skin and scrape out the slime so I them things like a stomach bro. And they say well me need chicken and them thing they see me. They use 2 sour orange or vinegar. Because most person use vinegar. Anybody that's sour orange and lime and everything there. They wash the chicken, you see me? Yeah man. So my deal is not about that. I don't know so I can cut up and pull the camera saying take off because nobody pull the camera about now. So when I'm done, the link on the back and show you how I go on. Alright guys, so see slime? Look, you see? Some people know their skin and keep out the slime there. And then fatty right here so yeah man, you know. Scrape them off. So that's why sometimes they eat chicken and they sit in the stomach, yeah man, it's my attack. Yeah man, and in the wrist part here so you know scrape out them thing there. You see me? They know the chicken good. So basically I'm gonna cook the chicken in a quarter. You see me? And jerk it. I'm gonna just cut it up. But just some quarters, right? And then we jerk them and cut it up. Yeah man. So I'm slowing circle back guys. Alright guys, so this are the fat where come for the chicken. So much fat? Yeah. So that then get wrapped today. Normally I get this. Some people boil the oil and eat it after. Eat the fat after, yeah. But this I put in a crayfish trap. Yep. So put in the fridge, in the freezer. Yeah, cause if me leave like this tomorrow, stink. You see me? Yeah man, and it's like chicken, so I get the part of the bread now. And I'm checking back with it now. But we soak. Yeah man guys, so this is it. Yeah man, so tomorrow now, I blend onion, scallion, thyme, some more garlic, pepper, pimento, and it all works. You see me? I rub on the chicken and I season the chicken. Yeah, and when I see all that, right? So for now, that's soaking like this. You see me? Yeah, that's off. Yeah. And this is the next half. This is now I'm mommy I go bake, but I still put on the brine same way, you see me? Basically, they make cut up already. Yeah. Some copyright music can play in the background up, you know you copyright. So this is it. Alright guys, so this is dinner, you know. And another pot over here so, fish over here so, rice and peas, vegetable and all that, yeah. So, I devour this right about now. So guys, if you're new right here so, thanks for it this far, thanks for the support. Yeah, really appreciate it, continue showing support. Much respect, enough love, Merry Christmas and hope everybody live to see next year, you see me? Drop a like on the video and all that. Subscribe when you share the video. Yeah, and guys, now the brine, yeah, I put a piment tonight, you see me? And them thing, but I'm say I'm gonna blend them tomorrow and rub on the chicken, you see me? Yeah. So I'm gonna shell on this now. That video edit right now. We drop a morning or something I do it. And we done shoot the video. The edit drop the next day, man. I shoot up video back to back, man. So catch you now in the next video.